Alright, so to find the equation of the line from a scatter plot, what I would do is I would take a look at the data and I would pick two data points. Now, generally you want to pick two that aren't very close to each other. So I'll pick the first one and the last one. They're not very close to each other. Alright, so this is years since 1990. So 1999 would be year 9. So 1 point would be 9 comma 58. And the other one would be from 1990 to 2018, that's 18 years, comma 42. Once I have 2 points, I can find the slope. To find the slope, I subtract the y numbers, 42 minus 58, and I subtract the x numbers, 18 minus 9. I simplify the top and bottom. I'm going to cheat. This will figure it out for me. Negative 16 over 9. And as a decimal, that's about negative 1.77. And then once I know the slope, I can use y equals mx plus b. And I can plug in. So I would plug in one of the y numbers, it wouldn't matter which one, 58 I guess, equals negative, looking at the answers, it looks like they round off to about 2 decimal places, so I'm going to round this off to 2 decimal places. You know what, I'm just going to get rid of all those silly looking things that are in there. 1.78 times the x number would be 9 plus b. And then you would get the b all by itself. So you would grab your calculator, multiply these together, move it to the other side. Again, I'm going to use my fancy software and cheat. B is a... that's not right. Well, I guess we'll just work it out. B would be 58 plus 1.78 times 9, which would be 74.02. So now I'm going to come over and I'm going to look at the list of possible answers, and I'm going to pick the one that's closest to that. I do find one that's exactly the same. So I would use that one. Now, of course, I used x's and y's. I really should have used p's and t's because that's what's in the equation. So I make sure I pick that one that has the p's and t's. All right, I hope that helps. Let me know if you have more questions.